Okay, this is problem number 7 on the 5.2 worksheet. We're supposed to solve for A, and the first thing we need to do is I wrote down the 3 steps to solving these problems. The first one is to find the same base, and if you look at this problem, we would think that the base is 36, because looking at the other problems that we've done, we've seen that if it gives you a base, that's usually the one you use. But in this case, if we try to rewrite 216 with a base of 36, let's try 36 squared. If you do that in your calculator, you find that that's going to equal 1,296, which is not 216. So we can't use 36 as the base. So we're going to look for another common base that would work for 36 and 216. And if you think about it, 6 would work. So let's rewrite 36 with a base of 6. And that's 6 squared, because we know 6 squared is 36. And I wrote it in parentheses to separate it from the 2a that was already there before. So if you rewrite anything, make sure you write parentheses around that number. So for 216, if we write it with a base of 6, you find that 6 cubed gives you 216. So now we have our same base that we need for these problems for step 1. Now step 2 says set the exponents equal to each other. So before we do that, we're going to rewrite this as 6 to the 4a, because we know 2 times 2a equals 4a, and then that equals 6 cubed. Now we take these exponents, and I'm going to circle them in black. Once you have the same base, you can take these exponents and you can set them equal to each other. So 4a equals 3. And if you remember in algebra, this operation between 4 and a is multiplication. So you do the opposite operation. And to get rid of the 4, we have to divide both sides by 4. And so the 4's will cancel and a equals 3/4. So that's your solution.